In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shared timer to Google Meet. This is a handy tool that can significantly enhance your meeting efficiency by helping you manage time effectively. So let's dive right in and see how you can set it up in just a few minutes. First, we need to install a Chrome extension called Meeting Timer for Google Meet. This is one of the easiest ways to add a timer to your Google Meet sessions. To get started, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing chromewebstore.google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, locate the search box, usually at the top left corner of the page. In this search box, type Meeting Timer for Google Meet so that specific results related to this extension pop up. You'll see a list of extensions, so look for the one that's explicitly labeled as Meeting Timer for Google Meet. After you've found the correct extension, click on it to get more details. You'll notice a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click that button. This action will prompt you to confirm your choice, and you'll see another button that says Add Extension. Click on this button to proceed with the installation. If you receive any message prompts during this process, be sure to follow those to complete the installation. Now that the extension is installed, let's move on to your Google Meet. Open or start a new Google Meet call as you normally would. Once inside your meeting, look towards the upper right corner of your browser where you'll find the extension icons. You should see the Meeting Timer extension among them. Click on this icon to open up the timer pop-up. With the timer pop-up open, you'll notice that the timer is now visible on your screen and can be seen by all participants in the meeting. This shared timer can be used to keep an eye on the clock, helping you manage your time and agenda efficiently. Whether you need to set a countdown for a presentation or simply ensure that the meeting doesn't run over the allotted time, this tool is here to help. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to add a shared timer to your Google Meet. It's a simple process that can bring a huge benefit to your virtual meetings by keeping everyone on track. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I hope this tip helps make your online meetings a little more organized and efficient.